Four charges Q, Q, minus Q, and minus Q are placed respectively at the corners A, B, C, D of a square of side A. The potential and the field at the center O of the square are respectively 1 by 4 pi epsilon r times. Okay. Here, potential can be calculated directly. Why? Because when we have too many charges, then total potential at a particular point due to too many charges is given by the just algebraic sum of the individual potentials, not the vector sum, because electrostatic potential is a scalar quantity. So the algebraic sum of the individual potentials will give you the total potential at a particular point. Here, potential can be calculated directly. So this is negative charge, this is negative charge. So what amount of potential these two negative charges will produce here, same amount of positive potential will be produced by these two positive charges here. So the total potential at the point O will become zero because the distance of all the charges to the center is same, magnitudes of charges is same. So the positive potential produced by A and B will be equal and opposite to the negative potential will be equal and opposite to the potential produced by D and C. So the total potential will become zero. But now here we have to calculate the field. Potential will become zero, but here we have to calculate the field. So let us say the magnitude of electric field produced by one charge Q is E. So here the charge A will produce electric field away from it. This is E. Charge B also will produce electric field away from it. It is E. And charge D also will produce electric field towards it. So it is E. And because this is the negative charge will produce electric field at any point towards it. Even C will produce electric field towards it. So the angle between these two is 90. So we have 2E and 2E. We have two vectors 2E and 2E at an angle of 90 degrees. So at the point O, we have 2E like this, 2E like this at an angle of 90. So the net electric field will be vertically downward. When we have two equal vectors, then resultant vector will be bisecting. So root 2 times of 2E. What is E? It is the electric field produced by one charge. So E resultant is equal to 2 root 2 E. This is the electric field. E is the electric field produced by one single charge. KQ by A by root 2 whole square. Why A by root 2 whole square? So because the distance of any one charge from the center is A by root 2. So here the resultant electric field will be 2 root 2 into K, okay, K into 2 root 2 Q divided by A square by 2. These two also will come to the numerator. So K times 4 root 2 Q divided by A square. So 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught times this K is nothing but 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught times 1 by 4 by epsilon naught. So the net electric field is 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught times 4 root 2 Q by A square. So let us see the correct options. Potential is 0. First potential is 0. and field is 4 root 2 q by s square times k. So option B is correct. Option B is correct.